Hey everyone, it's Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Tuesday so far. Today we're going to take a look at this 2017 Nissan Altima 2.5S and a gun metallic exterior. We're going to walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first thing you're going to take notice of are these gorgeous halogen headlights. Now, even though these are halogen bulbs, they are the projector beam headlights, which will give you much better clarification at nighttime on the road. As we pan over here towards the middle, you'll see that black girl insert along with the chrome trim. That chrome trim matches that beautiful chrome Nissan logo. Making our way over here to the side, let's go ahead and take a look at these wheels and tires. Now, this is going to come with 16-inch steel wheels, and the tires are going to be 215/60s all the way around, like new, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. Now, as you come over here to the side, as you can see on your door handles, you are going to have the proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket and you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. While we're over here, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Now, this Nissan Altima is going to come with a premium black cloth interior with some of this almost whitish grayish stitching. And as we turn around here to the dash, you're going to see a dark gray finish up top and a darker black color here on your glove box. Speaking of your glove box, let's go ahead and drop that. Grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now, on this specific Nissan Altima, your tire depths are going to be 8 and 32 seconds all the way around. Brakes in the front are going to be 12 and 32 seconds, your rear brakes being 10 and 32 seconds. Taking a quick peek here in the back seat, as you can see, that premium black cloth interior is going to stay consistent. And we go ahead and pull down this center console here in the middle seat as well. You're going to see that it comes equipped with 2 cup holders. Coming around to the rear, don't worry about backing up into anything because this vehicle is going to come equipped with a backup camera. And while we're back here, we're going to go ahead and pop the trunk for you guys, showing you guys how much space is actually back here. And as you can see, there is plenty of space back here to haul groceries or luggage on long trips or anything that you could possibly think of. Moving now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and 8-way power folding seat adjustments. Hopping on in, we're going to go ahead and start it up for you guys in just a moment. I do just want to point out that this Nissan Altima is a push button start. But before we go ahead and start it up, let's go ahead and take a quick look at you guys' keys real quick. As you can see, it does have the power locks on your key fob, allowing from that just the opening and closing from the touch of your fingertips. Then you can also have a trunk release on here as well as an SOS alarm system. But like I said, let's go ahead and start it up for you guys. Now you are going to get a nice little start up there on your middle and driver display from Nissan. And you're going to take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just under 53,000 miles, extremely low miles. Taking a look here behind your steering wheel to the left side, you are going to have plenty of options over here. Up top, you are going to have the brightness to your driver display, as well as your trip reset. Down below that, you are going to have your trunk release, as well as your traction control. And even further down, you are going to have your gas cap release, as well as your hood release. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be all of your headlight adjustment settings with your automatic headlight setting, as well as your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. The right side is going to be all of your windshield wiper adjustments. The left side of your steering wheel is going to be all of your middle display options. And on the right side, you'll have all of your cruise control options, as well as your touch to talk down below. Coming here over to the middle, you are going to have a stereo system equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera as well. Now, even though it does have the screen there, the LCD display, it does not actually have the touchscreen option. Coming down even further than that, you are going to have the climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips. Going even further, you are going to have a small storage compartment equipped with a USB port, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in there on the far right. Coming back even further, you are going to have your beautiful shifter knob, 2 cup holders, and another small storage compartment. And as you guys can see, this center console is a two-part center console. So if we go ahead and hold this left one up, you are gonna see a much smaller storage compartment up top. And then holding the right one down does allow into a much deeper storage compartment with another 12-volt plug-in. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are gonna have lighting options for both the driver and passenger, as well as a sunglass holder. Taking a quick look underneath the hood, you are going to find a 2.5 liter engine with 179 horsepower. And you also take notice that our engine bay is coming extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have just a couple of your very small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep it garage kept its entire life. Coming down the passenger side of the body, you are going to have a slight imperfection up here at the front, as well as a very couple of small imperfections here on the back of your rear view mirror. Another small imperfection here on your rear passenger side door. Other than that, no other scratches, marks, dings, or dents. Coming back up here to the front passenger side, you are going to see a couple of small imperfections down here on your wheel. Other than that, this wheel and tire is in extremely good condition. Coming back here to the rear passenger side tire, as you guys can see, it is in extremely good condition, and then there is no curb rash on that rim. Coming around here to the rear, you are going to have just a couple of small imperfections, one being there, as well as your typical trunk scratches up top and down below. Making our way to the driver's side of the vehicle. As you guys can see, it is in extremely good condition. No scratches, no marks, no dings, no dents there. Coming back to the rear driver's side wheel, as you guys can see on that hubcap, there is a couple of small curb rash imperfections there. However, that tire is in extremely good condition. And finally, coming back up here to the driver's side front tire, it is also in extremely good condition, and that rim has no curb rash on it. That's all I have for you guys today on this 2017 Nissan Altima S. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe, and make sure to push notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Tuesday, guys.